Hey everyone, this is Kelsey, your Navigating Neopoet workshop leader. In task 2 of the workshop, you're being asked to put a comment anywhere on Neopoet. This is the main way that we interact with each other here. A perfect place to start is adding a comment on a poem. To find the stream of poems, start on your Neopoet homepage, and then scroll down until you see the stream. Pick any poem in the stream by clicking on the title. Then read the poem and scroll down to the comment section. Here in the comment section, find the Add New Comment section and add your comment. Start with a title or a subject line, and then fill in your comment. When you're done, click Save, and your comment will appear for the writer, and they will be able to keep up the conversation with you. Thanks. Bye.